Well, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's raining like for real. Listen. I mean, it's been like that for a few hours. There is no way I can film outside, so we are here back in my office again, and let's go for another video. What is the best way to cook chicken? That is the answer we are looking for today, and I hope that you stay to the end because this one is going to be at least controversial. But you know, in this channel we welcome all opinions and comments, so don't forget to leave yours down there. Now let's put things clear here. If you like chicken, you know that the best and most delicious way of cooking chicken would be in the grill. The grill does not only allow the chicken to cook slowly, keeping the juices inside the meat, but also the skin. The skin is gonna be crispy and crunchy. And let's be honest here. You hear that? Let's be honest, guys. There is no delicious chicken if it doesn't have a crispy skin. For today's experiment, we have these two beautiful birds. These two are about 6 pounds each, and it's something you can buy on any supermarket near you. But if you're in South Florida, you better do as I did and go to my favorite store, Broward Blvd, to get your chicken there. That, together with any spices or side dishes you would like to accompany your chicken with. For me, I will get this nice wrap specially created for chicken and some fresh vegetables to make a nice dinner out of this experiment. Of course, if everything comes out right. The idea is to compare two different ways of cooking chicken. I could say the simplest way of cooking chicken out there, but you'll be the judge. I know, beer can chicken is awesome, but we need an 8-ounce beer can and go to the trouble of having a base to hold it up and so on. Also, smoked chicken is amazing, but then there is time. A good smoked chicken will take 3 to 4 hours to cook properly.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
And today we are going for the simplest way of cooking chicken, right? So for this to work, we should have it all done in 1.5 hours maximum, with minimum effort and great results. And for that, there is only 2 ways of cooking the perfect chicken. The way we will cook this chicken today will be one entirely whole, and the other one spatchcock style. Both of the methods need minimum preparation, and the results on both of them are delicious if you know what you're doing. A few more degrees here or some flames there can ruin the entire experiment and the chicken, so you will always want to be extra careful when cooking chicken. First, let's prepare the spatchcock chicken, as that is the one with the most amount of work, about 1 minute. Spatchcock chicken or butterfly chicken means nothing else than the removal of the backbone to allow the chicken to be completely open and flattened. And by doing that, we are reducing the cooking time significantly, making this the fastest way of cook a whole chicken on the grill. Once the backbone is removed, we will flip the bird and flatten it down by pushing the breast until you hear a crack. And just like that, we're ready to go with this bird. But before we continue, let me tell you what we're going to do with chicken number B. This chicken will be cooked as is. Simple enough, right? But there is a few things we need to consider when cooking a chicken this way. For instance, we will need to bend the wings back into the body to the point that they hold themselves in the back of the bird. By doing that, we are actually protecting the wing tips from burning in the grill, as there is very little meat in there. The second thing will be to find a way for the legs to stay together. That will give it a compact shape and protect the thin parts of the breast from drying and overcooking. For that, all we need is to make a cut in the back end of the chicken and place the legs in a cross position through the hole we just opened. Or you can use butcher's twine to tie them up, whatever you prefer. The final result should be something like this. This again is a very simple way of preparing chicken for the perfect cook. And with all that done, it is time to season these birds up. First, I will add something to hold the rubs on it. And my favorite blend for chicken is olive oil, but any other oil will do the job. Rub the oil on the chicken, but make sure you keep one hand clean to add the rub. As you can see, this rub has a lot of paprika in it, and that will help a lot with the final colors of the chicken. Nobody wants an uneven looking chicken with chewy skin and no flavors. And with all that done, it is time to set them in the grill and let them cook. The grill is set at 350 degrees and ready to welcome the chickens in. To the charcoals, I will be adding wood. For chicken, apple or pecan woods are perfect, but I will be using something different. Here I have bourbon barrel wood chunks. These are chunks taken out of barrels used to age bourbon, so the smells and flavors this would add to the chicken will be an amazing complement. In the grill, I will be using the kettle zone cooking system. If you don't know what this is, I made an entire video about it, link in the description. The kettle zone cooking system will allow me to cook both of the chickens at once, as it frees a lot of space in my grill. And it also allows me to cook indirectly, as I don't want any fire touching the skin of my birds at any time. And for the sake of simplicity, I won't be adding any thermometer to these chickens right now. I will only check the temperature whenever they get to the color I like, and pull if they are ready. The FDA recommends to cook chicken until the internal temperature gets to 165 degrees. More than that will make your chicken dry, but if you ever cook your chicken to the recommended temperature and it still comes out dry, this trick is for you. Remove the chicken from the heat as soon as it gets to 155 degrees and rest it for 20 minutes before cutting it. That will do two things. It will allow the temperature to continue rising until it hits 165 degrees, and will also allow the juices to fall back into the meat, so when we cut it, the juices are within the meat instead of spilled out all over the board. At about 45 minutes, I will check the chicken and flip the whole chicken so it can cook evenly. When using a diffuser like the kettle zone cooking system, the heat will be coming from both sides. The bottom as the fire heat up the diffuser, and the top as the heat rise from the bottom goes around the grill, hit the top and falls right on top of the meat. Isn't that ingenious? After 1 hour total time, it is time to check the spatchcock chicken. And as you can see, the spatchcock chicken is ready way before the other one, and it is time to remove it from the heat. The entire spatchcock cook took about 1 hour at 350 degrees, and the results speak for themselves. The skin is crunchy and crispy, and the meat is juicy and perfectly cooked. Now the whole chicken is ready at the 1.5 hours mark. And as you can see, the colors are amazing and the skin is crispy and crackling. And the meat is juicy and cooked right. No reds around the bones or anything weird like that. Well guys, here we have our two experiments here, and it's time for Miss Ninja to try it and tell me what it is, how she like it, what she likes better. And even Mr. George is down there trying to give it a try. So everybody's trying to give it a try. It's hot as hell.
I was gonna ask you, are you sweating or this is just
This
my
is not
idea?
sweat anymore. It's just like the Niagara, you know,
my
it's
God.
like falling off.
Here, have some of my magic
Oh, thank
brew.
you so much. Oh, that tastes weird.
Oh my gosh!
All right.
I'm telling you.
Miss Ninja, we have here number A and we have number B.
Okay.
All right. Both are more or less the same chicken, the same weight, everything is the same, just cooked in two different ways. And I want you to tell me which is the one that you like the best.
Let's go.
All right. Let's start with number A. Let me have the knife there. Let me
There
cut
we
a
go.
piece for you. I'm gonna cut the breast. All right. You tell me if you like it. What's up? All right.
That looks gorgeous.
That looks good.
Beautiful.
All right, guys. Number A.
Number A.
Wow. That rub.
Not only the rub, it's so juicy. And it's the breast. You know, breast is like dry. Wow.
Guys, it's so juicy. I can't even, it's so moist inside. I mean, if I squeeze this thing, it might leak.
Look at that.
Man, the skin is crunchy. The taste is amazing. And it's so
Love it.
moist, so flavorful. It is real freaking good. Miss Ninja, you ready to try the second one?
Yes.
Let's go for number B.
Number B.
And yes,
Number
that
B.
B is a number.
In Ninja's world.
This one is falling apart. I just pressed it too hard. All right, Miss Ninja.
Oh, wow.
We have number B here. Let's see which one you like better. The same part of the breast. Everything is the same. Let's go.
Go.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Wow.
These chickens are good.
This is a tough decision, guys.
It is tough. It is tough.
All right, Miss Ninja, we have to take a decision here. It's a tough one,
Do I have to?
but we have to take a decision. Miss Ninja, for you, which one is the best and why?
A and B.
A and B?
Yes.
I mean,
Both of them are extremely good.
I have some of the options that Miss Ninja don't have. She's only basing on flavor and how it tastes and everything. But I can base it also on how long it took to cook, the easier to make, and the whole 9 yards. And I think I'm gonna go with number A, guys. I'm sorry, there is a lot of people there that love the number B, but let me explain to Miss Ninja what it is.
What it is?
Number A is a spatchcock chicken.
Okay.
And number B is just the whole chicken.
Okay.
Both on the grill, both the same rub, everything is exactly the same thing. But I feel like number A is a little bit more moist than number B. And also, the flavors of the rub got in there a little bit better than number B. Maybe because it has a little bit less space to work with.
Okay.
It was, dipping all those flavors in there and making it taste really, really good. And the rub really penetrated, the rub flavor really penetrated the meat a lot. That one is freaking good too. But number A is delicious, brother.
Ninja approved.
Ninja approved. Guys, if you want to make your chicken, you know how to do it now. This is the easiest, the fastest, and I think the one that brings more flavors into the meat. That one is great too. It doesn't take a lot longer than this, maybe half an hour or so, but it is delicious too. The only thing is,
Cheeky.
this one's easier. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
You hear that?
Yes, I hear that. Crunch.
That skin is delicious. Let me ask you something, guys. Did we make you hungry?
Did we?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to share these videos on your social network. Let me know down in the comments what do you think. Maybe you like the whole chicken better. Maybe you like the spatchcock chicken better. Or maybe you have another way that is better for you. You let me know down in the comments. And if you have another one, we might do a comparison with that one too.
Yeah, let's
and
do
you
it.
let me know. The winner right now is the spatchcock chicken. And from there we go, all right? That's all for today. But remember that I love you.
Love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
I'm going to take a shower
Oh my
right
God.
now.